Hey, what's up guys, in this video we are going to do a review of HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4826 printer which I recently purchased from Amazon. So if you talk about the DeskJet printers, those are very cheap, but for a long term, for a long usage, it is very costly because their cartridges are very costly and their printout page are very costly. Like it prints around 150 to 180 pages like black and white and 50 to 60 colored pages. But if you talk about this printer comes up with two new cartridges, like a set of two cartridges, two black and two tricolor, and it costs somewhere around 475 to 500 rupees. And these are HP Ink 47 cartridges which are really very efficient in terms of price, and you can print around 1300 black and white print and 700 color print, which is really very great. If you talk about DeskJet printers, if you want to use for high usage, then you can go for ink tank printers. So if we talk about the accessories which we got with this printer, so we have four cartridges, two for black and white like the black cartridge and two are the tricolor cartridges. So two I have already placed in my printer and two are these. And then we have some instructions and manuals which I generally don't read that much. And then we have the power cable. So this power cable we need to place it at the back of the printer and another end in the power socket. And then this is the USB cable. Like this USB port we can place it in our laptop or desktop, and the other port we can place it on the back of the printer. So here you can just place your cable in the printer and the other part in your laptop or desktop, like from where you want to print. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, so in that case this is not required. So to install the cartridge, all you need to do is just open this panel. So just pull it out and then here just press it down and it will open the cartridge panel. And here you can see we have two cartridges. One is tricolor and the another is black. So from the stickers you can see left one is tricolor and right is black. So this tricolor we will insert in the left one. So here I was just struggling a little bit for this because it was the first time I was installing this. So here you can see in the back there is a chip, so that will be connected to that printer. So here the method that I've used was just place it inside that and push it from down to upward. Like from the front, just push from down to upward, it will just give a tick sound, and from that you can consider it successfully installed. Similarly you need to do for the black as well. So here I have the black cartridge which is HP Ink 47, which is very cost efficient. So same way we need to install this black cartridge as well, and each cartridge is print 1300 in case of black and 700 in case of tricolor. So HP have provided four cartridges, like two black and two tricolor, so that comes out to be 1300 into 2, that is 2600 black, and the 700 into 2, that is 1400 color printout. So each cartridge will print 1300 and 700. So now just check it once again, it's already installed. So I will just close this panel, and here the output tray, we can also extend this output tray as well. So now let's talk about the control panel. So it has a really very elegant control panel. Here you can see the power button at the top, and then we have this 0 as a count, like number of pages we are printing, 0 1 2 3. Then we have the Wi-Fi indicator, and then the Wi-Fi direct indicator, and then we have the ink indicator, which is like tricolor and black ink indicator, like how much it is left. And then we have the cancel button to cancel the operation, and then we have this resume button, and then we have this Wi-Fi, and then the info indicator, like if we press this info it will give a print of the information. And then we have this colored Xerox icon, and then the black and white icon, like the black and white photocopy or Xerox. So now if we talk about the input tray, we have A4 size, B5, A6, DL and envelope support. Like here you can just scroll it from left to right or from right to left, and you can adjust it as per the page size, like if you are printing 5:7, 4:6 or any like small cards. And we can insert 60 sheets in the input tray. If we talk about the output capacity, so output capacity have around 25 sheets. So here you can just extend this output tray so that your pages will not fall down. So now let's just close this. If we talk about the page, so first time it will print a page like this when you insert a page. So now if we talk about the printing process, so you need to download this HP Smart app. So from here you can control all your like printing process, printing, scanning and copying and everything. So it is really very simple. So here you can just select your photo or PDF file which you want to print. So in our case, let's just do a black and white print for now. So here I have this PDF file and I'm going to print this PDF file. So here just click on this print icon, and then here you can see few options. This is the number of copies you want to print, like 1 2 3. So we will just print one copy. And then the color color mode, black and white or color. Then the paper size, the A4 size or whatever you want. So in the PC or in the desktop you can find more options in this. Then the orientation, we have automatic, portrait and landscape. So we are going to print in the landscape mode so that it will be like full certificate there. And then in the advanced option you can choose the quality. So these are 4 qualities: automatic, draft, normal, best. So draft will consume more or less ink, so it will be like very efficient, like we can use ink for longer time. And if you choose the best option, it will consume more ink, so we have chosen best option. So this will be little bit slow because we have chosen the best option, so it will give a very elegant print, but it will take more time as compared to draft or normal print. So for me it takes around 45 to 50 seconds just to print a single page, to be honest, because we have chosen the best option. If we have chosen normal or draft, it will just quickly print in 3-4 seconds. So as the company claims, it can print up to 7.5 pages black and white in 1 minute and 5.5 pages in 1 minute color. So that's true, but in case of best, if you choose the best option, it takes more time. Now let's do a color print as well and see how much time does it takes. So here we will choose number of copies 1, and in the advanced let's just choose draft option. So in case of color, we are going to print in the draft mode, like the draft quality. So here you will see like the print is very quick. To be honest, I didn't even get the chance to take the pic of that or the video of that, so it was very quick, and you can see the print quality was also very good. So for the scanning part, all you need to do is just place the paper on the top and just close the lid, and then in the HP Smart app just scroll down, and here you can see printer scan. Just click on that, and here you can see your document will be placed over here. So just resize this, and in the top you can see custom 200 dpi. This you can change the resolution, like what will be the resolution of the scanning, so that you can choose. And here you can choose the page size as well. So in the scanning resolution, like that is 200 dpi, you can increase it to 300 dpi. And here you can see if you want to choose the more dpi, like the more resolution, so the quality will be more better, you can use the PC or desktop. There you can see more options. So here I will just click on this bottom icon, and here you can see this is processing and we have the scan. So here I will just crop this much. I will just resize this and crop it. So just resize this as per your requirement, like the A4 size sheet which you want, and then click on next. Here you can rotate or add more pages to the same PDF. Here is the option for saving, like in the PDF or JPG or like image format or PDF format, and then you can rename it. You can like do some random name in that, and here I will just give certificate, and here I will choose the option where I want to save that. In the downloads I will save that. Now if I go to downloads, here I can see the certificate, and this is the scanned document which I have just scanned. Here you can see the quality is really very elegant and it is much clear. So I would highly recommend this printer if you want to buy a cost efficient and like the low price of cartridge printer, then this is a must buy. So if I talk about the price of this printer, it cost me around 8,300 rupees on Amazon. You can find it around 8-9,000 rupees. You can find the link in the description. If you have any query regarding this printer, feel free to ask in the comment section, and please do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.